Alrighty, here we are, another year, another what I got for Christmas video. This is absolutely wild to me that this is the 8th what I got for Christmas video on this channel. I'm gonna link the whole series down below in the description. We all do Christmas differently. Every single family has a different holiday and Christmas season, so if you watch these videos and you have a really hard time not comparing your Christmas, then please don't watch this video. I want it to just be something fun and tradition that I do. I'm so incredibly grateful for everything. I told my parents even, I was like, we don't even have to open the presents. We could just sit here in our pajamas and watch movies and I would be perfectly happy. My family does Christmas really large and I have a lot of people that I give gifts to, and if you happen to have any extra Christmas money or you're looking for some inspiration of what to get people for next year or even what to add to your list, then hopefully this video will give you some fun ideas because we got some unique stuff. Without further ado, let's get started. We're gonna start with the stocking, which is what I forgot to actually hold up, so let me go get that. Okay, we are back with the stocking goods. Per usual, I'm gonna do speed round on my stocking to show you guys what's in here, but outside of my stocking, I got a bunch of candy, all my favorite sour stuff. This, which is so cute, I almost cried when I saw what it is. It's a little moon and it says, I love you to the moon and back. It's so cute. Here is what's in my stocking. We love it, especially the little pig. I just sorted everything into categories, of course, because I'm like, if we're gonna do this video, it might as well be organized. So we're gonna start with the random practical gifts, starting out with number one gift. This might have been my most exciting gift to receive on Christmas. I was at Dryland coaching my ski team kids and I left my Hydro Flask water bottle on the field there and I lost it. It was nowhere to be found and I had to survive for 2 entire months without a Hydro Flask. If you are like me and you have a comfort water bottle, let me know down below so I don't feel crazy, but this is literally my life. It helps me drink a ton of water. If I can drink 2 of these a day, then I'm getting my daily water intake. This is in the rain color and it's got a straw lid, which is amazing. My dad got me this really cute Patagonia Crossbody. It's basically a fanny pack, but I'm probably gonna wear it as a crossbody. This is super handy for hikes. It can hold my phone, my vlog camera, little snacks, and it's very lightweight. My friend Kenna got me a bunch of really cute, fun things that are very meaningful. She got me this really cute stocking from this store in Multnomah Village where I used to live in Portland, and it's got a bunch of chair lifts on it. She got me this little set of s'mores, this little thing, which is basically a tiny little fire pit that you can have in your apartment. My mom, don't worry, I'm not gonna burn the place down. I'm gonna be very safe, but apparently this was on Shark Tank and it's a very cool concept and you can actually roast the s'mores over this little fire pit. Thank you, Kenna. I'm very excited about this. My uncle got me some fun things. I got more ski wax for my skis this year and I'm very excited about this. This one's like a hard wax that I melt over my skis, and then this is just a wax in a squeezy tube that can kind of just keep it in my pocket and put on my bases last minute when I need it, which is very handy. And what I love about both of these things is that they're fluoro-free. I think that's how you say it. Fluoro? They don't have the chemicals inside of these that pollute the environment, and a lot of my other waxes do, so I will be throwing those out. I also got Grandma's Secret Spot Remover. My mom got me some more hand soap from Bath & Body Works. She loves this stuff and I needed some soap for my kitchen. She also got me some Goo Gone because I did not have any Goo Gone. My mom also got me some car wash stickers. I do drive to the mountain a lot and my car gets disgusting. My dad got me, it's called a blister kit, but I think the proper name of this is rock tape. What it is some like really hard tape that you can basically put in any spot where your foot is rubbing up against your shoe or your hand or wherever you're gonna get a blister, and it prevents that from happening and protects that skin underneath. I'm really excited to use this for my roller skates because I cannot roller skate without getting blisters. This was another really good gift. My mom was like, I can't believe I bought this for you. The shipping was really expensive and it's so little, but I think it's really cute. It's a little, let's see if it'll focus. It's a little Portland pencil pouch and it's got a bunch of little Portlandy things on it. Got a nice zipper, and right now I'm using a pencil pouch where the zipper is broken, so it's not very functional, and I definitely need this for school, so thank you, Mom. My last 2 random gifts that we have here from my Uncle Dana. He got me this adorable little llama, and I didn't even realize what it is, but apparently it holds your rings on it. The last practical gift that I got is from Billy. My mom got me my favorite lotion and some body wash, and she actually got a whole nother set of them because Billy's customer service was so nice when she emailed them and she told them that she forgot to use the coupon on their stuff, so I'm gonna give a special shout out to them. They just sent us an entire new kit of what she ordered. We love a good customer service moment. Our next category is going to be the books category. I love to read and I got some really fun books this year. Our first book is The Spirit Catches You When You Fall Down, A Hmong Child, Her American Doctors, and the Collision of Two Cultures. I have heard great things about this book. It's very popular and I'm very excited to read it. Our next book is 7 Easy Ways to Say No to Almost Anyone. Stand up for yourself without looking or feeling unreasonable, uncaring, or unkind. My aunt got me this. It's a very small read and hopefully I can plow through it and actually learn to follow through and say no. Is she trying to tell me something? This book, I'm really excited about it. Some people might think it's really weird, called Talking About Death Won't Kill You, The Essential Guide to End of Life Conversations. I'm definitely gonna have to have some of these tough conversations, and honestly, we did not learn how to talk about death whatsoever, so we're kind of left to navigate it on our own. It's something I feel like is not talked a lot about, and we're not really well trained on. So hopefully this will give me some really good guidance on where to start with this. Thank you to my uncle for getting me that book. He also got me The Everything Guide to Investing in Your 20s and 30s. And then the last book that I got, which was actually my last gift of Christmas that my dad got me, it almost made me cry because it was just so sweet. It's called Make Your Bed with Skipper the Seal, written by a Navy SEAL. Good vibes, good-hearted, lighthearted. I do make my bed every single morning, so it's very fitting. We're gonna hit up the kitchen stuff. It's a lot, but it's some really cute stuff. This was at our friend gift exchange. My girl Maddie Unger got me this adorable cup, and it actually says squeeze the day. It's got a lid and a glass straw that's actually really thick, so this will be perfect for smoothies in the morning. I am so in love with this cup, Maddie. Thank you so much. It made me smile the instant I saw it, and I cannot wait to use it in my new apartment. This next gift is for my friend Maddie Murdler, and my mom wrapped it up very carefully because we did not want to break it, so I'm just gonna unwrap one of them. But she got me a little set with these little tiny cups that are kind of light green for my bar cart, and then she thrifted this amazing, incredible pitcher that I'm going to unwrap for you because it is just that cute. It needs to be seen by the world. How stinking cute is this pitcher? Got this green handle and a little topper. When you guys see what I have in store for the bar cart and kind of the new vibe of the apartment, you'll understand how meaningful this was. Maddie, thank you so much. This is incredible, and I'm very excited about it. I'm going to rewrap it up because it is very precious and must be protected. I'm not sure if this camera is in focus or not, but I hope it is because we've already gotten pretty far. We're gonna continue with the Christmas gifts. My girl Leah, she organized my entire kitchen. Of course, she knew that I needed a zester. I've always wanted one of these, so thank you, Leah. She also knows how obsessed I am with tea and how many little boxes I have and not a place to put all the individual tea that I have. So she got me this amazing kit, and it's an organizer to put all the different flavors of teas, and they all stack nicely in here. I started putting some in here that I stole from my parents. I can't wait to get home and actually fill this with all the teas. Thank you, Leah. That's so thoughtful. My uncle Dana got me some wooden spoons. I don't have any, and they're from XOXO, so we love. I also got a ladle. I did not have a ladle. I don't know how I survived this long with my love of soup without a ladle, but my aunt got me this nice silver one, and I'm very excited about it. Oh, I guess we're gonna do the Katie Mack gift. She really outdid herself this year. Miss Katie Mack got me these hay napkins and placemats. This is like a local store in Portland. They have really artsy, cute stuff. And then she got me the Always Pan, which if you don't know what the Always Pan is, I'm gonna assemble it for you. It's this incredible pan with amazing capabilities, and I'm obsessed with her. She's amazing. I was so surprised. So thank you, Katie. We will definitely be cooking some amazing meals in the new apartment with this. We're gonna just go speed round with the next stuff. I got some pad thai sauce from my dad. I got this little container to put carrots and hummus in it because it's my favorite snack. We got this XOXO scrubber brush because I had to throw my old one out. It was very disgusting. I also got a knife from my aunt and uncle. I got a little Fall Feels mug, a little spoon rest. This is a really cool gift from XOXO. It's a water bottle drying rack, which is perfect because then I can actually wash my comfort water bottle and not forget it because I'm really bad about that. From my dad, little plate from West Elm with a bunch of little skiers and little people on a ski lift. It's just the perfect size for cookies. We love to make cookies when the friends are over. So thank you, Senor. I'm struggling. I'm really not doing a good job of keeping this all clean. My amazing friend Katie Saya got me a homesick candle, and this is the New Home scent. I am obsessed with the scent. I've always wanted one of these candles, and I was very surprised. So thank you so much, Katie. You literally made my day. All right, the last two cooking gifts. I got some cutting boards. My mom actually just split the set in half, so my dad got some, and then I got some. Kind of a nice, easy size, especially when you just want to grab something small like apples. So thank you, Mom. I definitely will be reaching for those a ton. My uncle from Crate and Barrel got me some wine glasses for my bar cart, and I will unwrap one of them to show you. Just a nice, versatile, gorgeous. I feel like I'm adulting with this. Very excited to receive these. I think we're gonna be on to our clothing section. We are doing amazing. It definitely isn't Christmas without socks, and I got a lot of socks this year. My aunt got me these two darn tough socks. These are great for hiking, and I actually don't have any that are this size on my ankle. I got some Balega socks with a lot of cushioning in it. These will be really good for nursing. And speaking of nursing, we got some compression socks from Figs. They have little medicine containers and vials on them. I feel like I'm not gonna wear them all the time, but I feel like I should have some, and I should try to wear them. The last pair of socks I got, I was really excited about it because if you're a skier, and specifically a ski racer who has really tight boots, you know that you need extremely thin socks for skiing. Most people think you need thicker socks because they'll keep your feet warmer, but it actually cuts down on your circulation more. So these are like very thin Smartwool socks. Like they have pretty much no cushioning on them, and they're in this gorgeous lavender color. And right now, I do have a collection of ski socks, but I only have 2, maybe 3. No, I think I only have 2 other pairs of thin socks, and I ski like 4 days in a row. So these will be life-changing. I'm probably gonna wear them tomorrow. Thank you, Mom. Speaking of skiing, this was one of my big gifts for my mom. It was probably my biggest surprise. She got me a set of True bibs. If you guys have been following this channel, you know I got these last year for Christmas, and these are them in black. I wish I could show them to you, but they're like very cute, nice brand. True is like a local Portland company, and we love them. Their products are really high quality, and this is actually my 3rd pair of bibs because my ski bag got stolen, so I lost the first periwinkle pair, and then I got a green pair to replace them at the end of last season. But then, because I coach for 2 ski teams, we constantly are having new ski jackets for our team jackets that we have to wear, so we know we're like a part of the team. The 2 wonderful teams that I coach for ended up getting a red jacket and a bright blue jacket. It did not look good with the green pants. My mom probably was tired of hearing me complain and figured, you know, this girl really needs some black pants. So I got some black bibs. Thank you so much, Mom. That was like really sweet. You did not have to get me them, but I'm very grateful, and yeah, I'm glad I'm gonna look a little bit more normal on the mountain. I got some pajamas for Christmas. These are like loungy ones from Target. They're very soft. I actually got a pair of red and white striped ones for like my new Christmas pajamas. All right, some nursing stuff. My mom got me a Lululemon long sleeves. Basically what I wear underneath my scrubs. They are like a nice weight. I only have a white one, and we're only allowed to wear certain colors under our scrubs, so I only have one other one that I can wear, and this will be nice so I can wear this in the hospital. And then I got a figs jacket. Apparently I was supposed to open this on my birthday or something, and I never got to open it. Here she is, a nice navy scrub jacket. We're only allowed to wear a navy jacket because that's part of our uniform, so I needed that, and thank you, Mom. This will be perfect for wintertime. My mom also got me this adorable jacket from Aritzia. I had my eye on this. I think I saw it with her, and I instantly fell in love with it. It's lined with some Sherpa in here, and she goes with almost everything. I'll have her for a long time. This is kind of a funny story. My mom got me some replacement pants. These are some green Anthropologie pants. They're very comfortable. I love wearing these to school. I had these already from my birthday, and I got some food on it, so I asked her to get the stain out for me, and she accidentally ended up bleaching them with Chow, which is very shocking because that never bleaches anything. So anyway, I was like, it's fine. I really don't mind the bleach stain, but then I looked at it. It was pretty bad. So I don't know how she hunted these down, but she got the replacement pants, and I'm very excited because they actually are some of the most comfortable pants that I wear. I got a pair of dark wash Levi's that are the rib cage straight ankle style. I love the rib cage style from Levi's. They're like one of the only pairs of jeans that actually fit me, and I have a blue pair, so now I have a pair in black, and they're very thick, which hopefully will keep me warm because it's cold out right now. It's literally snowing. And then the last pair of pants that I got are also from Aritzia, and they are a nice tan color pant. Thank you, Mom. You're the best. She outdid herself this year. I got a pair of Uggs. My parents constantly yell at me because I don't wear slippers around the house because I don't find them very comfortable, but I did wear Uggs when I had Uggs in like 8th grade, and I kind of miss them, and I guess they're back in style. I got the black ultra mini height in the Uggs. These are actually a little bit too big, so I can't wear them yet, which is a bummer because my floor in my house is really cold right now, and I really want to wear these, but I will wait patiently for the smaller size. If I was wearing those like a year ago when I broke my toe because I split them on the door, I would have been a happier person. We made it to the very last section of this video, the technology gifts. I'm not going to open this all up, but my dad got me a nice little stand that I can put my phone on. It's a tripod, and it's got a little ring light. I got another 2 terabyte hard drive. I desperately need to back up the 50,000 photos on my phone before I lose them, so this is gonna be perfect. Thank you, Mom. I also got a new laptop case. Mine has been cracked in so many different places. It's literally snagging me, popping off every single day. Desperately needed a new case, so thank you, my father, for this. I got a new camera chip from my uncle. This is a 128 gigabyte Extreme Pro SD card. These are some of the best SD cards ever. I only had one of these for one vlog camera, and now I've kind of been using both cameras to film, so I was having to switch them in and out and making sure, like, do I have a chip in here? Do I not? Now I have a second one. Thank you so much. I also got a GoPro mount for my ski pole for my dad. I can't believe I don't have this because I love using my GoPro just to have fun, and if it's a beautiful day, to capture that film. So this will be fun. Stay tuned. Hopefully I will get some good ski content for you guys. I wanted this so badly. The Ryobi 18 volt dual function inflator and deflator. This thing is a beast. It has so many different pump things. You can blow up tires, you can blow up pool floaties, you can blow up rafts for the river, you can blow up, most importantly, my air mattress when I have visitors in town. This will be amazing. I was using my dad's like all the time. I pretty much just took it from him and was bringing it back and forth. So this is so useful. All right, the last 2 gifts are probably the most exciting. Actually, I think this is probably what I was absolutely most surprised to receive this Christmas because I had never heard of it. My dad dad got me this amazing little device. It's the DJI-OM, I don't know, DJI-OM 5. And what it is basically a stabilizer for your phone. And so you can film things with your phone. It's really smooth and it will actually track you as you move around using your phone's technology. Thank you, my father, for this creative and exciting idea. So fun. And then the last gift of Christmas that I got is an Apple Watch. My aunt got me this amazing Apple Watch. I actually didn't put it on because I wanted it to be a surprise-ish. She looks like this. I'm still learning a lot about this, so if there's something that your Apple Watch does or something that you use it for that you love, let me know down below because I have discovered a lot of fun things with it, but I want to add to it, especially in the nursing world. But I'm gonna use this for nursing stuff, but I'm really excited to use this on the mountain as a coach because I keep my phone tucked away in a pocket and I hate having to constantly pull it out on the lift to get in contact with parents or other coaches. So this will make communication a lot easier because it's literally on my wrist. I don't have to open anything up and I can answer phone calls on this, text from it. It's amazing. So thank you so much, Marley, for getting this for me. It literally blew me away. That is literally everything I got for Christmas except for two things which I don't have here with me now, but I'm gonna give a special shout out to my girls for getting them for me. My girl Scout got me this amazing bamboo tray that I can study on in bed. I actually opened it in the last week of my life vlog. My amazing friend Cam got me this gorgeous poster that's like a retro ski poster and it's framed for my apartment. So you guys will definitely be seeing that later. My God, I forgot to say the actual other big gift that I got from my dad, which I don't have here. My dad got me a TV stand for my apartment. I did not have a TV stand and I was really stressed about getting one of those, and I'm very grateful to receive that. It's gonna be a really practical gift. It has not arrived yet, but hopefully it'll be arriving soon and you guys can definitely stick around for a vlog because I'll film putting it all together and setting it up because it has so much storage. I'm very excited about it. I'm so grateful. I gave a lot of fun gifts this year. Some of my highlights were I gave my dad a shop vac that's like this huge vacuum that he's gonna use a bunch. I got him a bunch of like fun little things for cooking. I got my mom a Bose speaker. I got Katie a massage gun and a Hydro Flask lunchbox, like a little survival kit for her car. I don't know, I just had a blast shopping for everyone this year and I loved shopping all the sales and finding good deals. I hope you guys had fun participating in Christmas in whatever way, shape, or form it was. I know Christmas looked different for a lot of people this year, and I hope even if it didn't live up to your expectations that you found gratitude and just a relaxing day, because I feel like in this crazy world sometimes all we need is a relaxing day. Today's question of the day is going to be comment down below something that you're grateful for in 2021. I'm really grateful for my family's health this year, and I'm really grateful that I got into nursing school this year. That was probably like the biggest thing that happened in 2021 and it completely changed my life. Hopefully I will be talking to you guys before the end of this year, but if not, I want to wish you guys a very happy new year. We have lots of pre-filmed videos coming up soon. I just need to catch up on editing them all. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed and follow me on Instagram for more updates. It's at Kiara Madisen and I will talk to you guys very soon.
I only worry that I'm crazy, 'cause if it's all true, well, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate